efficient here, you know. Ethernet, right?
Yep.
FCOE target, salary is based.
Okay.
FCOE initiator, Linux based
Oh, okay.
over Ethernet. And you can see Wireshark running with all these captured, all these live I/O captured here, and
Right.
this is I/O is pumping this way.
Okay.
5% over even.
It's right there. Simple
Yeah,
and easy.
right there.
Outstanding.
Right.
Which version of Linux is that running?
It's Fedora 7. It's kernel 2.6.17 or something. RC
24.
24.
Okay.
Pretty new. Pretty new.
Pretty new. And
Yeah.
that has what code is that running? What
It's Intel.
It's just
open
it's-
FCOE. Open FCOE.
Okay, so it's the same code base as what we're running on.
No, this is what we have all rewrote.
Right. Oh, okay. Right. We completely rewrote it, but it was based on the same specifications. that-
Yes,
Yes.
yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay, and that was from the Intel. An Intel specified that, right? Or who's?
It was T11, right?
Oh, it's T11 spec.
Right.
Okay. Outstanding. And so, you haven't done any performance work on any of this yet. This is just.
It's just a
just
function,
showing functional
right,
capability.
demonstration, right? But still, you can see the performance is pretty good here. It's over the 1 gigabit Ethernet, and we got 80 megabytes, right? It's
right.
like 60% of the bandwidth got saturated. So
Okay.
it's, yeah, not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
Yeah. So considering replace it with Thumper, it's different. It's quite
Exactly.
different.
Exactly. And and you can do reads and writes.
Yes, exactly. You can
Okay.
everything.
So it's-
file I/O or disk device I/O, raw device. You can do that.
Okay.
Right.
And then so on your Linux side, do you have? I'm trying to remember. Targeted
There's a demo
initiator.
here.
Okay. So there's no file system or any. It's just raw packets
No,
going back and forth.
actually, this is running COMSTAR, right? So
Right.
it is using or configure a file on this Solaris
Okay.
as a backing store.
As the backing
so
store, right?
From here, you can use that LAN
Right.
and make file system on that LAN,
Right.
and then mount the file system and copy files to that file system.
Got it.
Is that file in there?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
see
and that's what you're doing.
this is the LAN.
Okay.
We have already a file system made there, built on this LAN.
Okay.
Now we
And-
are running DD.
Okay.
This is a DD.
Right. You're just DDing. Okay. Okay. So you're just DDing into.
Right.
A device, A10.
Oh, very. The concepts are all the same. That's just a disk, but it's now a computer.
Yeah. So with a Thumper or more disk, we can consider use ZFS volume as the backing store.
Right.
That would be much more impressive.
Exactly. Okay. Very nice. And so then with ZFS, you could pre-allocate some space. You could say that this is like a 1 terabyte drive,
Right.
or
Or
something,
but
1 exabyte,
petabyte maybe.
Yeah.
Right.
Whatever.
and they'd just be writing data back and forth.
Exactly.
Very nice. Well, it's exciting to see that coming along and working.
Yeah. Yeah. Reed did a lot of work on that.
Well, I can imagine. Having to rewrite it and get all the multi-threading right.
Right.
Get,
We're also going to talk to crossbow people, Snake Tripathi, or
yes.
Yeah, we're going to have a meeting with him to talk about how to improve the performance, because this
Using
is
Crossbow.
based on Ethernet stuff, and he
Right.
is the man working on the networking. So
Exactly. So at that point, you can do link aggregation, trunking. You can also
that's the thing we need to figure out.
right, and disk and crossbow will also give you the ability to segment a link as well.
We
so
should
you can
do that,
allocate the
because
bandwidth and say storage only gets
Right, that's what
20% allocation.
Crossbow for, right?
Exactly.
All the virtualization thing, all the QoS stuff. Yeah, we need to make it work.
And wouldn't that be impressive if we had that?
Definitely.
Now you can say your storage network only gets 20% of the bandwidth during the daytime or whatever, high peak times, and it changes over. You can have some policies.
Whatever. Yeah, you have policies. You can do that.
Right, that'd be fabulous. Neat. That's how it sounded, guys. Good job. I'm excited to see this coming into the community too.
Right.
Are you? Have you had much interest from the community? Conversations about. I've seen a couple messages saying,
trying to do that after code job, right? After
Okay.
release it to like users,
Right.
so they can try it out.
okay,
Until then, we're going to expecting a lot of questions.
okay. Because I would encourage you to try to get out there sooner. You might actually be able to get some people that can help write some stuff.
Yeah.
So the